Okay, in the previous session, I told this one to do by your own. It is nothing but suppose if array of size, you can take these elements like rotation. If size is 7, so I already moved all this means one attempt again moving once. So one should be moved to end here. Okay. Now if I give one more touch case like if I want to move. Okay, if I want to move 5 elements, okay, this 5 will be moved to end. 6 will come at the beginning. Okay, I move to end. Suppose if I give one more input, my size is 6. I want to move all the elements. It's nothing but it will remain same. Okay, to overcome the syntax error, you can do this. If size is more, it will take that value, remainder value. If it is less than size, it will keep as it is. If d value is less than length of array, it will keep same. Or else if it is more, it will take remainder value. Means nothing but after that rotations also. You can implement program by you can do like how many rotations full rotations it is taking. Like question value would be how many full rotations that it is taking. Okay. So thank you, and we will discuss here one more problem. Okay. Today's session we will discuss how to find a major element. Question is like that: how to find a major element in an array. What is a major element? Suppose 10, 7, 4, 8, 1. Major element is nothing but majority element is nothing but element with whose right side should be less than that element. Okay, I will explain with one example. Suppose if you take here 10, 10 is a major element because all elements right side of it is less than that element. So 10 is major element. If you take 7, here 4 is less. Okay, but yet 8 is not less than 7. So 7 is not a major element. Okay, this one is 4 for this one. Okay, if you take 4, 8 is greater than 4. So it is also a not major element. If you take 8, 8 is a major element because right side of it is less than 8. Okay, if you take 1, this is the last element. Right side of it is no element. So this is also major element. The output should be 10, 8, 1. If you consider one more test case like 10, 20, 30. Output should be what value? 30 value. Output is 30 because only one element. Here 10. Right side 20 is greater than 10. Okay, this is not major. To take 20, it is also not major because right side is greater than 20. If take 30, is the maximum element. No element right side, there is no element greater than this element. Okay. If you want to implement code for this, you can do it by two methods. Method one with a time complexity of big O of n square, and method two the time complexity of big O of n. This one big O of n square. Okay. We will discuss both these methods. At beginning, we will discuss this method, and then after we will discuss this method. Okay, this one is easy to understand, but it will take less time complexity. Okay, we will discuss method one. Method one. Okay. The third one, okay, we will consider one random test case 10, 8, 4, 9, and you can take like 1. Is the input array A. Okay, your output is 10, 9, 1. Okay. For this, I will tell you the logic. You can take I value starting from here. You can take j is equal to I plus 1. You can start j is equal to I plus 1. You should try to iterate all these elements up to n. N is the length of array. You can assume length of array means you should iterate up to n minus 1 elements, all the indexes. Okay. If you encounter any element greater than this element, you can break and you can print that there is no it is not a major element. You can increment I value. So if I am taking here I, I'm starting j with here. I'm checking this one is greater than this value or not. No, it is not greater. So I'm incrementing j. I'm checking this value is greater than this or not. No, it is not greater. I'm incrementing j. Again, I'm checking the is it greater than this value? No, I'm incrementing j. I'm checking again. Is it greater than this one? No. Okay, I'm printing this as a major element. Then after I'm incrementing I value. Now my I value is here. And j is equal to I plus 1 here. I'm checking is there any value greater than this? No. I'm incrementing j. Is any value greater than this? Yes, this is greater than this. Okay, I'm terminating this one. I'm incrementing again I value. Again, j start with I plus 1 here. Again, is there any value greater? Yes. Okay, I'm terminating again here. I'm incrementing I. I'm checking again j start with here. J is equal to this one. Is this one greater than? No. I'm printing again 9. Again, I value is here. I'm checking j is there is no element, so I'm printing this value. Okay, this is my output. I will explain with the code. You can understand very easily. You can take this first one list map input same. Then after what I'm doing here is first of all I'm finding length. Okay, n is equal to length of array. Then after what I'm doing is I'm taking I start with 0. Okay, for I in range of n. It will take n minus 1 elements. I'm taking parallel for j in range of I plus 1 to n. Okay. I'm taking j is equal to I plus 1 if a of what I'm checking here. If a of this value, okay, a of j greater than a of I value. Okay, any one case, at least one case, a of j greater than a of I value. Okay, a of j. If suppose 10, that is also equal to also I'm taking. There is 10 like that. AFI break. I'm doing break or else where you can take some dummy variable like initially uh, leader is true. Leader is true. If it falls in this condition, leader would become false. Okay. If leader is true, I'm printing it then. Okay. If leader. If leader means if it is true, print a of I value. Okay, I am taking this. Okay, we will see with one test case. 10.8.491. We will check this one. 10.8.4.9 and 8.4.9 and 1. Our output should be 10.9.1. 10.9.1. Yes, it is working fine now. Okay. Now I will take one more test case like 10, 20, 30. Yes, this is also working. Okay. In the beginning, I am iterating up to n. I am assuming leader it is as a true, and I am iterating j to I plus 1 to n up to uh, okay, j I plus 1 to n. If I is here, j is equal to I plus 1 to n elements. If I am encountering any at least one condition, if greater than 0, I am making that to false. I am coming out. I am checking again here. Leader, if it is a true. If it is a false, I am not printing it as a leader. If not, I am printing. Okay. To find the leaders of an array. Okay. Now we will discuss simple and not it actually it is tough to understand, but somewhat tough to understand. But it will take less time complexity. We will do that one. Okay. This one you can save. Okay. Now I will discuss that one also. I'm closing this. I think we might have saved this one. Open this one. And array method. Okay. Now we all know that I'll take one more. Okay, suppose take elements like 10, 30, and 20. Here our output should be 30 and 20 here. No 20. See, we are always printing the last element. Actually, the last element is always a leader because there is no element that is greater than the last element. Last element is always greater. There is no element after that last element. So this would be a leader always. Okay. Now what I'm doing is at beginning I'm printing print a of n minus 1 means last element leader. Okay. I'm assigning current leader. Current leader is equal to a of last element. Okay. I'm iterating from last. I'm taking while loop. I is equal to n minus 2. N minus 2 you can take. Already I have printed the last element. I will take one more test case with more elements. Okay. Okay, we have taken previously one test case. I will take that one. 10.8.491. These are the indices. This is our array. Okay. Your output is to save space. I'm mentioning here only output 10. 1. This is our output. Okay. At beginning, this is my leader. There is no element greater than this at right side. So I'm printing this one at beginning 1. Okay. Then after this is n minus 1. If n is the n is equal to length of array means 5. N is 5 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So this n minus 1, 4. I am printing at beginning f n minus 1. 5 minus 1 means 4. This one I am printing n minus 2, this one. I am taking this as I. Yeah, I is equal to n minus 2. I is equal to n minus 2. Okay. While I greater than or equal to 0. I am iterating from this element to beginning index element. I am checking here again. If a of I value greater than current leader, if it is so, okay, this is my current leader now. If it actually this is my current leader, if a of I this value is greater than this value, this would be my current leader. Okay, I'm doing that one only here. Current leader is equal to a of I, and I'm printing this one also. Print current leader. Okay. Now I'm printing this one. I'm making this as current leader. Again, I is decremented here. Again, I'm checking if is greater than current leader or not. Okay. I'm doing that one only. If is greater than current leader or not. It is not greater, so I am decrementing this. I am not going to that condition. I am not make any current leader. Again, I'm checking if AFI greater than current leader. No, I'm not doing anything. I am decrementing here. AFI greater than current leader. Yes, this is the current leader, and I am printing this one 10 also again. 10 also. At the beginning, I have printed 8, 9, 1, 9, 10. This would be my output. Okay, I am doing that one. So I should be decremented every time. Okay, now we will print. Okay, current leaders are already printed. We'll take this output only, but we will get 1, 9, 10. Okay, it is working fine now. To take this out, this as input, we will check what would happen to this input. Okay, 30. The test cases are working fine. Okay, thank you.